This is our WhatsApp portal where we can add, edit any number, or we can select all the number, delete it. We can add, we can send a single SMS. Any 10-digit number would be validated. You can see total valid mobile number. Or else from a Excel sheet or from my lead sheet, I can paste more numbers. So you can see over here the total valid number. Now we can send a test message on here. We can drop down any images, any image file. Yes, we have restriction up to 4 MB. And for video file up to maximum size is 1 MB, that has been restricted as per WhatsApp regulation, meta regulations. And a PDF file up to 1 MB. So we can attach 1 MB here, 1 MB here, 2 MB and 1 MB here. So 3 MB message can all with all attachment we can send at a time. Or else if we have a simple graphic content, we can attach a simple image and we can simple attach any image like this. And yes, so by clicking on this send button, I can send all the messages to the given 127 number. So this video is for test purpose, and that's the reason I don't want to send all the messages, just for understanding. Yeah, we can try to send it on one number. We can see what happens. Just for test, you can try my number or any number you can send. So you can click on send. Okay, so there is an error in the campaign. Your campaign name is required over here. So we can keep it like test and we can send it now. Yes, I want to process. So it is been saved by 2 by 5 campaign sent today. So today we would how many campaign we have sent and what are the reports we can say see over here. So these are the two test message what we have sent. 10:40:55 is the local time over here right now. And these are the two message which is pending to deliver. Once it gets delivered, we will get a notification. Whatever the message has been sent, it is only charged on that. If the message is showing pending, the amount would be not charged. You can see the WhatsApp balance would be over here. What are the credits, right? So for this better understanding, I believe this video will help you.